Freddy! You're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa!
Oh man, these burgers look just as good as the ones at Auntie M's. Like, the pretzel lady? She makes burgers? Not Auntie Anne's. He means Auntie M's, as in Medusa. Wait a minute. You mean to tell me you ate burgers with Medusa? Like, the Medusa? Yeah. Afterwards, of course, she tried to kill us, but, those burgers. You never told me that you battled Medusa in the war. That's crazy, bro. Well, technically, it was before the war. I mean, at that point, of course, we'd already battled the Furies, but it was before we had even gone into the underworld. Like, when Percy got his Curse of Achilles? Oh man, no, I wish. No, this was our first time going into the underworld. I only had 2 weeks of training at camp, then they sent me on my merry way. I'd only gotten riptide that morning. Oh man, good times. You defeated Medusa? With 2 weeks of training? And survived the underworld? And that's not even mentioning that Percy had the wonderful idea of sending Medusa's head back to Olympus just to spite Zeus. Seriously, Seaweed Brain, I have no idea how you stayed alive this long. Well, man, that's one hella good prank. You got my respect for life. What can I say? We were a bunch of crazy 12-year-olds, right, Annabeth? You were 12?
You're so mean to me sometimes.
I'm not mean to you, you're just dumb.
He's kind of mean to me sometimes. And he says, dumb idiot. And I look at myself in the mirror and I say, dumb idiot. You're why I'm insecure.
Ciao. It felt something died, cause I knew that was the last time, I can't save us, my Atlantis we fall. Nobody thinks what I think.
So fast. He must be laser focused in. The only thing on Haru's mind right now is this race.
Life is like a hurricane here in Duckburg.
We've defeated countless monsters, beat a titan, destroyed national monuments, get offered godhood, and then turned it down because I love you. Don't forget it. And yet we're still getting our asses kicked by a game of Scrabble. Why did we think this was a good idea? I don't know, board games. It's supposed to be a fun, romantic date night idea. Who lied to you and said Scrabble would be a good date night idea? Paul. Paul the English teacher? Paul the English teacher. Why couldn't we have played something like Monopoly? Annabeth now. Oh my gods, it was one time, Percy. Babe, it's house rules. I am not risking my lease, my relationship, or my fingers over a board game. What were you expecting? I was about to get all of Boardwalk and then you bought the final spot. Not for you to pull a knife. Honestly, I think it's one of the most predictable things I could have done. My mom was there, man. Ugh, looking at all these letters just makes my head hurt. We could play Trivial Pursuit. Nah, I've memorized all the answers. I think Estelle has some kinetic sand. Sensory sandbox? We're building castles, baby.